topic name is collection interface. Objects are added to the collection by calling add method. Notice that all add takes an argument of object. Because object is a superclass of all classes, any type of object may be stored in a collection. However, primitive types may not. For example, a collection cannot directly store values of type int, char, double, and so forth. Of course, if you want to store such objects, you can also use one of the primitive type wrappers described in chapter 14. You can add the entire contents of the collection another by calling add all method. Next, you can remove an object by using the remove methods. To remove a group of objects, call remove all method. You can remove all elements except those of specified group by calling retain all method. To empty a collection, call clear method. Next, you can determine whether a collection contains a specific objects by calling contains method. To determine whether one collection contains all the members of another, call contains all method. You can determine when a collection is empty by calling isEmpty method. The number of elements currently held in a collection can be determined by calling size method. Next, the toArray method returns an array that contains the elements stored in the invoking collection. This method is more important than it might at first seem. Often, processing the contents of a collection by using the array-like syntax is advantageous. By providing a pathway between the collections and arrays, you can have the best of both worlds. Two collections can be compared for equality by calling equals methods. The precise meaning of equality may differ from collection to collection. For example, you can implement equals methods so that it compares the values of the elements stored in the collections. Alternatively, equals methods can compare the reference to those elements. Next, one more very important method is iterative methods, which returns an iterate to a collections. As you will see, iterators are crucial to success programming when using the collections framework.